sorry I dragged you into this mess. Like a dog in the street. Well, I guess we got off kind of easy. Yeah, all we have to do is clean the garage, trim the hedges, wash and wax both cars, hose out all garbage cans, and make 80 loaves of cornbread.
Hey, girls, need some help?
No.
Well, I'm sorry I took advantage of you guys. I just couldn't resist.
Well, I guess you try to make up for it.
And I want you to know that I'll always treasure the time we spent together as boyfriend and twins.
That's nice, Roger.
So are we still friends?
I guess so.
Great. I got the keys to my dad's van.
Roger, you can't drive.
Who said anything about driving?
Forget it, you baggy pants wearing, never gonna get a woman pervert.